How to create a best-selling book in 4 clicks. That's right, just 4 clicks, and we can create our best-selling book. The app I'm going to show you today has already created several best-selling books with literally just putting in one keyword. And right here, we have another one that just went to a bestseller right here for networks, protocols, and APIs, and in networking, a bestseller in both of those for another book that was posted. Let's go ahead and run through this real quick. So go ahead and get your key phrase. Right here, it gives you 3 titles that you could choose from. You choose the one that you like here, and you say create. You can edit the title if you want. So we're just going to add 2 words here to the title. And so we're going to say website creation. And then once we have that, we're just going to go ahead and click the check. And now we can just go ahead and generate and export. You just let it run in the background as it goes, and it's automatically going to create your content, your description, your email sequence, your social media posts, your sales page, your video scripts, and your articles. And right there, that is another book in the bag. So if you want to go ahead and take advantage of my bonuses, make sure you click the link below, and when you purchase, you'll be automatically taken to the page where you can claim your bonuses. And as long as you stay subscribed to Writerhub Online, where you can create unlimited books every single month, you will be able to keep access to my bonuses. Like I said, it'll take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. Here is the first book I created, and there's a special hint in here. This is actually targeting a specific product that I am promoting for high-ticket affiliate marketing. And this right here is the book that I created. It's 10 chapters. Literally, all I did was I put in what I wanted to be the topic, and then it creates the chapters. And you see here, it's got 10 chapters and sub-chapters on the topic that I wanted. And if you go in here, you can actually click on it, and it will have the chapter and the sub-chapters inside. I created a 10-chapter book with 36 sub-chapters. And with that, it cost me $4.64 with GPT 3.5. So $4.64. Literally just put in a title and it creates the book for me, and it's ready to upload. It's a super simple interface, and it's super easy to use, and it's amazingly powerful, the outputs that it's creating. And right here you see it creates book, it creates the sales copy, it creates 14-day email series so that you can go ahead and promote your book through email. It creates the Amazon book description, all the social media posts for your book, video scripts so that you can quickly and easily use AI to create videos. It has video descriptions, it has blog posts, and I literally stopped production on an app I was creating because I saw this, I used this, and I saw how powerful it was. This right here is industry changing on how to maximize the output of this. First of all, let's dive into the bonus. If you do buy through my link, if you think this is as revolutionary as I do, and you buy through my link, I'm going to give you a whole host of bonuses you're not going to find anywhere else because they're exclusive. I've created them, and you're not going to find them anywhere else. So first of all, I will give you access to my coloring book prompt creator extension, and this is going to do 2 things. It's going to be able to help you create coloring book prompts super quickly for every kind of niche, animal, for every kind of style, for every kind of background. And if you're doing like specific animals, it'll have all the breeds of the animals. You'll be able to create bulk prompts. So right here we have 36 prompts that you can go ahead and use quickly and easily. And when you're using it inside of the Midjourney/Discord, it will also have an overlay so that you're able to upscale and download all of your created images from your prompts, or you can do them individually. You'll be able to get the picture link, download the image, or copy the prompt. And when you create the image itself, you'll be able to also get the link, download the image, or copy the prompt. I'm also going to give you access to my course that I am building out right now, the 17 ways that Amazon pays all of my bills. It currently has 2 courses inside that I've already created. My Midjourney Millions course that was recently launched on Warrior Plus. This shows you how you're able to make up to millions of Midjourney coloring pages per year, and all the tips and tricks to be able to speed up and optimize your creations to get the exact prompts that you are looking for and to get pictures that are more closely look like your prompts. You'll also get access to my course, Beyond AMZ Influencer. This actually shows you how I went from $0 to $550 in 30 days with the Amazon Influencer Program, and how I've been able to get over $5,000 in free products, as well as how to be able to get approved for other free products and payments, even if you're not doing the on-site influencer program, as well as other ways to be able to make money if you haven't gotten approved for the on-site videos yet. This course right here is already selling for $98. I've sold a ton of these. You're going to also get access to this as long as you are subscribed to Writerhub Online. So we're going to How to create a best-selling book in 4 clicks. That's right, just 4 clicks, and we can create our best-selling book.